Today's an exciting day. Bought myself a little something. Had to get it delivered. Give me a little project now for the summer. Had lots of these before, but never one this small. There it is. Woodland Mills Chipper. Gas-powered chipper on wheels. That'll come in handy. My name's Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, I'll be using that in the bush. I've got to make some trails. I got to cut down some trees. Got to cut down some bushes. Got to clean up some dead stuff along the driveway. And just to help my forest, I don't want to leave all those branches laying around. Leave a bunch of dead branches laying around, that ends up being a fire hazard down the road. So I bought myself a chipper. Now, in the past, if I was to buy one of these things, I would say, oh my goodness, why would I want to buy that for? Because I had a tree service for 35 years. And the chippers that I used to use, they were diesel. They went on to a back of a dump truck with a pintle hook. We're talking chippers that would chip 8, 10, 12, 14-inch chunks of wood even. This thing here is going to do 3 inches for me, maybe 4. But when you have an off-grid property and you're basically just trying to tidy up the place, it would never be feasible to buy a huge chipper. First of all, you never get it in the bush. So what the plan is to get this thing here. I just recently bought a little ATV trailer, and I'll chip my brush into the trailer, and some spots I'll just chip it right into the bush. Or not into the bush, but onto the trails. But sometimes along the driveway, I don't want to leave a mess on the driveway. I don't want to chip it in the bush, so I'll chip it into the trailer. And I may even put a little receiver tube on my trailer as well, so that I can have the chipper and the trailer and the ATV. I'll just train all 3 of them right out into the bush. So follow along. I'll put this thing together. Won't be today. It's kind of a miserable day. It's raining out right now. So I'm going to put this thing together, and we'll see how it works. I'm thinking it's going to work good for me. I get 27 acres, and with 27 acres, you really need something like this. So anything bigger than 3 or 4 inches, I'll burn it anyways. So yeah, this is going to work out good for me. I'm going to put this thing together. I'll do another video and you watch me putting it together, and we'll see how this thing works, and we'll do a little review on it. Like I say, they're not sponsoring me. I just bought this out of my own money for my personal use around the property. But yeah, I'll do a little review. We'll see what you think of it. I've seen other people had these, and yeah, I was looking at another one. It was a yellow one from another company, and I debated on buying it. But first of all, it wasn't on wheels, and second of all, it looked like it had a lot of plastic in it. And I just had a feeling that it was going to be a problem for me. It wasn't going to be... Now, this isn't really a commercial piece of equipment, but the one I was looking at, which was a third of the price, and it was yellow, wasn't neither, and I got a feeling it was going to be just a problem for me. So I decided to spend 3 times the money and buy something that would be better. So I'm going to do a little bit of a superficial driveway repair now, and I'll keep you updated with that video on putting this thing together. So subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated. Have a good day.